I'm Matthew.
And I'm Oscar. And today we are doing another energy transfer in our science project.
And today we have
dominoes. And these dominoes are cool. I think you know how they work. You can build, you can make a trail, whatever. Yes. And it's motion to gravitational because when you touch it,
it moves and
it knocks down
it over.
And gravity is sort of pulling it down while it falls.
Yeah.
Because in space,
right now,
because really in space, when you do it, it would go like this. And start floating.
So, domino, push it over gravitational.
And that's really what's the process of this.
But let's just make another domino track, because why not?
Yeah, and this how it works. And this is our video for today, our science project video. Bye.